There is a single packet of Eno and half a fresh lemon sitting on my bathroom counter right now. When you mix them together in this exact sequence, they create an immediate oxygenated microfoam that dissolves stubborn dark knuckles, deeply tanned elbows, and uneven skin tone in exactly 3 minutes. Take half a fresh lemon and squeeze 5 to 6 drops of fresh juice directly over a teaspoon of Eno powder in a clean glass bowl. Watch how it instantly foams into an effervescent, bubbling microcloud of citric-carbonate energy. Scoop up this active microfoam and apply it directly onto your dark knuckles, elbows, knees, and tan zones. The chemical reaction between the citric acid in the lemon and the alkaline sodium bicarbonate creates a rapid pH shift. This sudden shift safely loosens the stubborn protein bonds between pigmented dead skin cells, lifting away weeks of deep tanning in minutes without damaging your living tissue underneath. Here is the golden safety rule that you must follow strictly: leave this microfoam on your skin for exactly 3 minutes. Never scrub aggressively with the lemon peel itself, because pure lemon juice is far too acidic and can burn delicate skin, causing rebound hyperpigmentation. The microfoam perfectly buffers the acid, delivering a controlled, salon-grade chemical lift right at home. After 3 minutes, rinse the foam off completely with cool running water and gently pat your skin dry with a clean, soft cloth. Do not rub with force. Look at the visible brightness on the knuckles and hands. The dark, oxidized tone is visibly lifted, leaving the skin clean, bright, and evenly balanced. Always finish with a gentle splash of pure rose water toner and 2 drops of non-comedogenic squalane or sweet almond oil to keep your fresh skin barrier plump, elastic, and hydrated. For more expert DIY brightening guides, skin barrier tips, and salon secrets, check out BritanyMarshallBeauty.com. Leave your skin questions in the comments below.